Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by planning a calm, clear conversation with your parent or guardian. Schedule about 15 minutes at a neutral time for both of you. Write down the apps and services you need and why they matter for school or social needs. Offer examples of responsible behavior and how you will follow new rules. Propose a 1-week trial of adjusted limits and agree on check-ins each evening. Ask how you can rebuild trust and accept any monitoring during the trial. If you are a parent, sign into your Microsoft account to review family safety settings. Select the child account to change screen time, content filters, and app permissions. Set limits clearly, for example 1 hour on weekdays and 2 hours on weekends per device. Approve specific apps or websites by name rather than removing all controls. Use activity reports and daily check-ins to monitor progress without invading privacy. Consider temporary adjustments during school projects or special events. When appropriate, parents can remove a child from the family group in account settings. Removing the account ends applied screen time and content filters on linked devices. If the user reaches 18 years old, update the account age or convert the account to adult status to transfer control. Before removing controls, back up important files and sign out of shared devices to prevent sync issues. Communicate the change and agree on new expectations for device use and online safety after removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.